Hello guys, today we will start with a new video. Here I got this, zoom out a little bit here. This parcel I got from DHL a few minutes ago. I just removed the paper stuff with my address, and I'm honest, I don't know which camera is inside there that I ordered a few days ago from eBay, so let's have a look. But I have a suggestion. I think with which camera it is. Keeps interesting. Okay, it's not the camera that I wanted to show, but yeah, okay. Just so this is now just a quick unboxing video. I ordered also Olympus 35 RC. I think it will take some days. So this is a Olympus Superzoom XB. I thought something would happen. I really like the big viewfinder. So you have some simple operation, zoom. Okay, interesting. So let's have a look for the batteries. I don't know why this camera feels a bit cheap. Because it probably is. It was cheap, I think. Yeah. But it's usable. How much was it? What a useless video. Everything for the content. 16 euros was it? 16 euros. Okay. Let's put in the battery. These ones from Amazon Basic, because we support dirty capitalists. Okay, so people will buy this just because of the clamshell design. Did you hear that? That doesn't sound normal. Maybe. Okay, this is like for infinity mode. This is to, you have to press the buttons to change the setting. This is like no flash. The flash isn't even activated, so okay. Now it should be with flash. Okay, there's a flash. I'm gonna push this down. No flash. Okay. We have zoom. You hear that? That doesn't sound that healthy. Let's put on the light back. But it seems to be fine. I think for 16 euros, there's nothing you can complain about. Okay, you have a self timer. Is the self timer working? Yeah. Is it? Oh, long. I think it would be better when it would be flashing the green light, the red light. But I would say for the price, it's a nice camera. I can sell this easily. Parts made in Japan. So what else is there to show? The camera has a tripod mount, to roll back the roll. Yeah, I think it's nice because you don't need any special batteries. You just need these AA batteries, cheap and widely available. Not like, dude, you get a camera and it needs this battery. Dude, what? It's so bad because they are on Amazon. They are like 12 euros. Dude, why? Why 12 euros? It's basically just two of them, kinda. So, okay. I will test this camera in the next weeks. And yeah, that was basically the tutorial, wasn't it? Yeah, so see you soon for the next video. Bye.